Well, this time of the year, one of the little jobs that I like to get done is the climbing or rambling roses. I don't actually do them at totally the correct time of the year. You know, you'll be told that ramblers should be done at this time, climbers should be done at this time. Well, you can gather that Ken Crowther does gardening to fit in with the weather and the pattern. So, okay, it's cold. Now you'll see that this one works really well. It flowers all summer. And what I actually do is I cut out long wispy growth and then I twirl them round. If you can see, there's one that goes right round, 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 round. And what happens on that, if you curl them and do them in twirls, what happens, to give you an idea here, see where it's curving, all these buds will produce shoots, which will then produce lots of flower. And that's why I do a lot of curling. And if you stand back, you can see that a lot of the wood that I've got there is round in circles. Especially, look at the end. I've cut back to 2 buds. That will produce little side shoots, which will then produce lots of flower. I don't know actually the name of this flower, but it seems to repeat flower through the summer. It's a great rose. It's very old. When you look at, let's look down at the base. I mean, look at that base. That could be 50, 60, even longer. And in fact, you can see we've encouraged a bit of new growth from the base. Quite difficult, because generally you're working off wood like this, which is very old indeed. But if you can encourage some new growth, that's what you want to do. Get some new growth up there. And in fact, we've been doing this rose for about 3 or 4 years now. And in fact, we have got rid of most of the old wood that was up there. There's just one old branch. And in fact, if you look at it, there it is at the back, see? I'd love to get rid of that if I can. But it's got new shoots coming off it high up. So I most likely won't be able to get rid of it. Now, another tip from World Radio Gardening on what you could be doing in your garden even though it's cold. And in fact, when the sun comes out, it's really pleasant to be out there. You can see us on YouTube and you can see us at our website. If you've got a query on anything this season, why not send us an email to post@worldradiogardening.com.